All right, we have Tony Mazzocco here on the dyno. I'll let him tell you the setup on his truck.
My 1972 F100 got a 1-ton swap, built 48 RE by Firepunk, full manual valve body. It's got 14 mil extra race pump, 250% overs, S475. It is a 5.9 common rail.
Stock bottom end.
Stock bottom end.
So we're gonna try to keep alive today.
Yes, stock head.
Get as much power out of it as we can.
Yeah,
and
hoping to break 1,000, but we'll see what happens.
So we'll get a few runs in here and see how it goes. We got Tony's truck all wrapped up. We ended the day at 881 horsepower and 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. Started adding fuel quantity and it just hit a wall at 880 horsepower. I'm guessing it's either stock head or the 83 turbine on his turbo that is limiting us. So I will get him off the dyno and send him on his way. Alright guys, so we got Garrett Niss in the shop today. He is here for 100% second gen swap. What else? A valve cover, intake horn, something to make the truck look good in the engine bay as well as the outside as well. I don't know, maybe when we're done with it, we'll place with some air real quick and, you know, watch it go up and down pretty fast. It's actually pretty fun, so. I need it.
Buy it. Tell me you want it. Tell me it's not leaving the shop.
We're holding your truck hostage.
What, my truck?
Yeah, not your truck. Let's hear it, Gavin.
Well, my farm truck actually does indeed not look like this farm truck. It's getting the compounds put on it right now. When the kit's coming along. It's a 363 with a 98 millimeter GT55 sitting out front. Will it work? None of us know, but in theory, it might.
I just hope it works for your sake, that's it.
I hope it works for my wallet's sake as well.
I mean, do you think you'll be able to do rollers?
It's a loaded question, buddy.
Yeah.
It's gonna do rollers.
With nitrous, anything's possible, remember that.
In nitrous we trust.
Alright guys, so in the meanwhile, stuff's getting powdered, compressor cover, charge pipes, stuff like that. Decided to put the truck up in the air, start to do the sump that he wanted, and start to pull the down pipe out. And trying to figure out where to put the air dog is not really easy on a truck with air ride. So we're going to try to make something work, and in the meanwhile I'm going to start pulling this down pipe out. So. According to my calculations, I need to cut here because I'm gonna need all that pipe, or at least a good portion of it. It's about to get drippy in here. I hate some. I like them, but I hate them. We had to put a air dog on a fast mount and mount it up in the fender well a little bit. Try to make it look as clean as possible and kind of hidden as well. Looks alright. I think it looks alright for what it is. Should we pass by Levon's office all tooted up? So we got Garrett Niss's truck all wrapped up. 100%. I think he went with the 467 on the manifold. Second gen swap. Did an air dog with it as well. And
taking on test drive right now. It has yet to be tuned, so it is a little smoky, and that's stack noise. But yeah, I mean, seems to drive okay for right now. Obviously drive a little bit better once it gets tuned, but excited for it.